Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Jaden here, and I really like Jaden. Has this cool DNA in his songs, and I'm not the only one who likes him. He's very popular. This song is called Roses. Alright, so we're gonna handle this song Roses with the capo set on the 3rd fret. Absolutely the best scenario, gives us the easiest chords to handle this song with. So put that on, capo on 3rd, let's go over the chords. So we're gonna start with G, and we actually use more the bass strings of G. All right, so we're gonna play it like this. It will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, and then open D, open G, and open B, open E, okay? We'll avoid the last E string at least down here, all right? So that is the G chord for this specific song. Next chord will be B minor. So that's a bar chord, and you play the bar here with the index finger on the 2nd fret. You bar 5 strings from bottom up, like this, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. All right, that's the B minor. We have the C major 7 next. It's very similar to G in this song, but you just move everything 1 string down. It gives us 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. We also got the A minor. That's the last chord, and it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so that's the chords we use, and we have one main pattern here or chord progression in the song, and it's the G, B minor, and C major. And then sometimes here and there it's a pre-chorus or a bridge part. I'm not sure how you would specify this part of the song, but it comes back 3 times in the song, just a short sequence. So I'm gonna teach you that later, but we're gonna focus now on the main parts. And if you noticed, I played that in two different ways. One way was more of a picking based playing, okay, where I picked the chords a little bit more, if you notice that, and then one was more of a strumming bass. So I'm gonna give you both ways. We're gonna start with the picking now. So for G, you're gonna start that G, B minor, and C major. That's how it goes. So G, you're gonna pick the bass string, which is the 3rd fret E string. Very important, and the important note you wanna hit here is the open B string. So you pick those two together. You can also add more strings from the actual chord to give more depth to it. So not just this, you can, if you can go, perhaps you hear that it's a little rounder and meatier sound to it. So the important strings are the bass string, 3rd fret E string, and the open B. And then in between, you can do it in your own way there. So pick one there, and then you go over to the B minor. Here we have the important strings, the B string, the A string, the 2nd fret on the A, that's a B note. And you pick that, the bass note, together with the 4th fret D string. So these two are the important ones from this chord, and these are the one you want to emphasize. But you can also incorporate the 4th fret G string. So it gives a little bit more sound to it. You do that in the same way, just once. So from G to B minor. And then comes the C, okay? And you do that in the same way. The bass note here will be the 3rd fret A string. And the note you want to highlight now is the 2nd fret D string. So these two pick together. You can also incorporate the open G string. Once you play that once, you're gonna continue with the strumming, and that's a good to learn that now, because we're gonna come into the strumming pretty soon. So one round of strumming is divided into 2 different parts. So if you keep that C major, what you're gonna do is to play 3 full rounds after this pick. So 1 full round goes like this. So the first part will be the down, down, up. And the second part will be clap, down, up. So if we put that together, down, down, up, clap, down, up. That's one round. A couple of rounds goes. All right. And I played 3 rounds for you, and that's exactly what you're gonna do. So that ends one chord progression round of the main part of this song from JADEN. So to summarize everything, you had 1 pick on the G, then 1 pick on B minor, and then 1 pick on the C major, and then you continue with 3 full rounds of the strumming. So that is how it goes with the picking bass. Now, if you translate everything now into strumming, you will understand how it goes, because we're gonna use the actual strumming pattern to handle the G and the B minor and the C here. So we're gonna start with the G again, go back. Now, you're gonna take everything from the strumming pattern. So the G, you're gonna play the first 2 downs. 2 downs on that. Then you continue the strumming pattern with the B minor. You're gonna play up, clap. Okay, so that's how they split on the strumming. So G, down, down, up, clap on B minor. And then you continue with the C major, the last part of this first strumming round, which is the down, up. Okay, so far together with all these 3 chords, you played 1 full strumming round. G, down, down, and then B minor, up, clap, and then C major, down, up. And that is actually 1 strumming round. So down, down, up, clap, down, up. And then you end in the same way as you ended the picking bass, the pattern here. 3 strumming rounds added to this C major. So slowly it goes like this with the strumming. Tempo. Or picking. Really sweet sounding there from JADEN, Roses. Now over to the part that I mentioned comes back to us 3 times. So like I mentioned, just the timestamps there, it will be about 58 seconds into the song. Then the second time will be 2 minutes and 2 seconds into the song. And the last time, I believe that's the last time, will be 2 minutes and 57 seconds into the song. So understand what I'm meaning. It's just a short sequence there. And we're gonna use the A minor to start with. We're gonna use the strumming pattern here. And you're gonna start with A minor and play 1 full strumming round plus part 1. So that will be down, down, up, clap, down, up, and then part 1, down, down, up for A minor. And then you're just gonna do like this. 2nd fret A string. It's just a transition note there. And just give it a kick, just 1 down. And then you go over and play the last chord, the C major 7 for 2 strumming rounds, 2 full strumming rounds. And that's it. And then you go back to the main part. So this bridge or pre-chorus or whatever it is, it's A minor, 1 full round plus part 1, then just kick on the 2nd fret A string, and then you grab the C major and play 2 strumming rounds, and after that you go back to the main. So I'm gonna play 1 main for you, then come into this bridge pre-chorus parts, and then go back to the main so you understand how everything connects to each other. So let's do it. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Jaden, Roses, a beautiful song, right? So if you like this one and this tutorial, yes, you have to show me that. Give me a like on it. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Leave me a comment for future wishes perhaps, because we have songs where you can wish for, you can wish for songs anytime, and I bring them up on Wednesdays normally. So it's an opportunity for you also. So yeah, interact and see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.